The engine power reduced warning in your Chevy Malibu is a critical safety feature that every owner should understand. This warning, also known as limp mode, is a fail-safe mechanism that automatically limits your engine's performance when the car's computer detects a potentially harmful condition. The Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, is your car's main computer brain that continuously monitors all engine systems for problems. Several key engine components can trigger this warning when they malfunction. Let's examine the most important ones. First is the throttle body assembly, which includes electronic throttle control, position sensors, and the actuator motor that controls airflow. The mass airflow sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine. When it fails, the PCM cannot properly calculate fuel delivery. The MAP sensor monitors intake manifold pressure, while the accelerator pedal position sensor tells the PCM how much power you're requesting. For turbocharged Malibu models, the turbocharger system, including the wastegate actuator and boost pressure sensor, can also trigger this warning. The three most common causes are a dirty or faulty throttle body, accounting for 60% of cases, a failing MAF sensor at 25%, and accelerator pedal sensor issues at 15%. Modern diagnostic approaches involve scanning multiple control modules simultaneously, monitoring live sensor data, and testing network communication between systems. General Motors has released multiple software updates for the PCM and extended warranties for certain model years experiencing chronic reduced power issues. Understanding these key components and their interactions is essential for properly diagnosing and resolving engine power reduced warnings in your Chevy Malibu. The first step in troubleshooting engine power reduced issues is using an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes. This will point you toward the specific system causing the problem. Three common codes you'll encounter are P2135 for throttle position sensor correlation issues, P0068 for MAP, MF, and throttle position correlation problems, and P0299 for turbocharger underboost conditions. For throttle body issues, inspect for carbon buildup, which appears as black residue inside the throttle body. Clean it with throttle body cleaner, or replace it if the buildup is severe or if the throttle position sensors have failed. A faulty mass airflow sensor causes poor acceleration and irregular idle. Replace it if readings are outside the normal range. Also check the accelerator pedal position sensor, which should show voltage between 0.5 and 4.5 volts across the pedal's full travel range. Software updates from the dealership can resolve about 30% of intermittent cases without requiring hardware replacement. For prevention, clean the throttle body every 30,000 miles and address any performance issues immediately. If the problem persists after basic troubleshooting, or if you encounter complex issues like PCM failure or network communication errors, it's time to seek professional help. These advanced diagnostics require dealer-level equipment and expertise.